trigger way too strong. Get me to turn up, bro, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't wait to go dumb, then come up, dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll. Hey guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. So I just took a shower, getting ready to meet up with some friends, and we're gonna go to brunch. I'm throwing a wig on my head, so I just braided it down into two little ponytails, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. Nothing too fancy, but I am trying to get a cotton pad out so that I can use this toner. I still have been using the Ordinary products. I don't know if you guys saw my skincare video where I need to move this flat iron, where I was trying out the Ordinary for the first time. The products are still really, really good. I haven't used the, what is it? The chemical peel. Sorry if I'm like shaky, but I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera is charging. But I haven't used the chemical peel in a while, just because, as you can see, my skin is like very red and sensitive. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to get dressed. We're supposed to be going to a place called Main Course. I've eaten there before for my little sister's birthday. I did actually vlog there too, but I've never been for lunch. I've only been for like dinner. So I am going to continue, like I said, to get dressed. I'll see you guys in a little bit when I start doing the makeup thing, yada yada. And yeah. All right, so I am just doing a little bit of makeup. I already have my foundation on. I am using the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter. This is the hydrating one. It is on clearance for $13.99. So you better go get you some before it sells out. So this is Leader in the Glam Bronze. I absolutely love this powder. It is amazing. It gives you like, I don't know, the most beautiful bronzy color. And I feel like once I wear this, I never really have to put blush on. I don't know. I've never been a blush girl. I'm trying to get into it, but you know, that's just me. I'm always like behind. Let me tell you how hard it is to get ready, because like I had this whole outfit planned. Everything just fell through. Like I knew how I wanted my hair. I, for the life of me, cannot find my clip-ins. I'm talking 4 packs of clip-ins. Where are they? They're not in my room, not in the living room, not in my beauty room. I don't know. I remember I had them in right before COVID, took them out, and then I don't know, maybe I threw them away accidentally. I don't know. Not gonna stress it. I'm thinking about putting my tape-ins back in, but I just feel like that is such a hassle. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever had tape-ins. I know it's a thing right now because Kyra had them, Aaliyah has them. Everybody is getting them from Slayology, who does a bomb job. And I actually want to get my hair done from her, but baby, the way these finances are set up, I just don't know. So are any of you guys going to the Permission to Dance concert in Vegas? If you are, drop a comment below, let me know. I am not going. I wanted to go, but I decided Not to, just because I really didn't want to spend the money right now, but I am going to the Permission to Dance live concert that's going to be in theaters. So I'm going to go to that next week, and I'll vlog a little bit so you guys can see that experience, because I am new to Army. So I have really enjoyed being in this fan base since I became Army. And I don't know, I've never really spent like the kind of money these girls be dropping on BTS. So I'm all for it. But I'm starting off slow, and I want an Army bomb, but like they're sold out everywhere. So anyway, I am a BTS fan. It is what it is. At my fossil age. And so the palette that I was using is the Jaclyn Hill. This is the Divine Neutrals. And then I'm using, I'm dropping everything, this 1971 palette from Morphe. But guys, look at this. It has like blue reflex in it. Oh my gosh, it's called Poptimistic. Look at this. Oh, divine. I love it. And I said I wasn't like getting dressed up. This was gonna be like a really chill day, but with makeup and me, it just goes either way. Like sometimes I will dress down, but my makeup will be like beat. And then sometimes I will have like natural, very minimal makeup, and my outfit just be like, it speaks for itself. So it just goes either way. But OMG, it has a lot of glitter in it, but like, look at that. So the makeup is done. I have this wig that I got from beauty supply store. I don't wear it too often, but I wanted to wear it today. Let's see. Because I really just don't feel like doing anything to my hair. Whole bunch of hair. This is a synthetic wig. This is from GVP. It's the Matrix Biolage Shine Renewal Spray, just to give this baby some shine. I was doing the wigs last time, and what was happening is it was just, I don't know, it was taking my edges out. I felt like it was, but this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be HD, but I mean, this is not a 13x4. This is, I think, just the one that has the part, because I'm not gonna lay these down, and I don't think that you can part it like this way and flip it over. But of course, the part in the middle is fine for me. So now I'm gonna get dressed, because I literally just have 30 minutes to get out this house and get where I need to go. So, all right, so hair is done. Only thing that I did was just pull these two little pieces down, clip the top up, just swoop my natural hair. As you can see, I'm not using any glue. I did put on some earrings, a little necklace. My choice of fragrance, I just kind of wanted you guys to see, is, what is this? This is the Olympia from, girl, I don't know, Paco Rabanne. Yeah, so I need to get out this house. I keep saying that. I'm gonna be late. That's what it is. Because I know me, I'd be like, I don't be wanting to do it. Here's this cute.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I had this,
So we just got to main course.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. Talk.
I finally got it. And so now I don't know how to function with it.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. It was good. What I got was good. I like your hair, Jen. Okay. Okay. So I've never come through this way before, but it's like really, really pretty. And the weather's cool. This is the courtyard entrance. It is so pretty.
Simply delusion, followed up with confusion. I was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. Drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. I was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much
I'm recording. This is Chanel. She is taking Instagram content because today was our today was our content day.
I should have never got started with that. It just took one time.
So yes, we are shooting content today. We just had brunch, and then are you still trying to go to the lash store? Yeah, we're gonna make a hair store run because we're gonna go look at some new lashes, things like that.
It's just a girl day.
Pretty much. That's all we're doing today. It's been a lot of fun. I've had a lot of fun because I don't get to do too many girls' days too often.
They're limited.
Yep. Jen is a Chanel. She's a nurse. Oh my God. Jen is a nurse. Chanel is a self-employed business owner. She has a Beauty and More brow bar, as well as she works as a stylist at Mo Envy. She's doing a damn thing. And of course, I work retail store manager. So we're always busy doing something.
And she's been teaching me the ropes on being more confident with my blog, and just how to work my camera and the things that I need. I'm working with my friend.
Period. So this guy just offered us a passport to heaven. And maybe I needed this because the way TikTok is set up, I'm going straight to hell. I'm going straight to hell. I know it. But y'all, this light. This light is everything. I don't want to be rude and I don't want to litter. So, anyway. She is over there getting the sun.
What you need to catch is my tripod.
She using the tree as a prop. Listen, that's what you call by any means necessary.
Okay, black people know they'll make it work.
Period. Oh, let me get this on like a little. This phone.
It's sunny.
The sun is sunning, but this damn tripod about to piss me off. Cause I'm dumb. I know. Don't.
I was gonna say maybe turn to what's the name? You do TikToks? No. Excuse me.
No, Mr. Buns. I'm recording. No, that was funny. Excuse me, Mr. Buns. Okay. Who you ignore with that fat ass?
Okay. Fatty. I see that fatty back there. That's a dump truck.
Right. You don't do buns, you do boys.
Okay. I'm gonna try to look TikTok one more time now.
So the sun is sunning. It's giving. I'm gonna need you to get that out your head. Oh man. You can take some pictures. You record nothing. Oh wow. I don't think Oh, look at that.
Right, that's it. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one.
Look at all the glitters. The individual eyeshadows. They got NYX train case. Nice. Oh wow. I've never been in here. So cool. Yes.
Supporting period of my life.
Oh, look at her bling bling lash glue. That's cute. That's good?
Yeah, whenever the lashes are stuck to the face, they just like automatically stick to that liner.
$400. This one's free. This is that ponytail hair that everyone gets.